On this day in history, 28 September 1837, Bahadur Shah Zafar became the emperor of the Mughal Empire. He was the final emperor who ruled India for 20 years. Emperor Bahadur Shah Zafar, also known as Emperor Bahadur Shah II, was born on 24 October 1775. He was the second son and successor to his father, Emperor Akbar II. He was a well-renowned poet and was the student of Muhammad Ibrahim Zauq. A large body of his work was lost or destroyed during the Indian Rebellion of 1857. What survived was compiled into a book titled Kulliyat-e Zafar. His court included poets like Mirza Ghalib, Dagh Dehelvi, and Momin Khan Momin. Emperor Bahadur Shah Zafar was coronated on 29 September 1837 at the Red Fort in Delhi. During and before the start of his reign, the Mughal Empire had become very weak, which made him a titular emperor. His authority was only limited to the walled city of Old Delhi, known as Shah Jahanabad. After the Indian Rebellion of 1857, Emperor Bahadur Shah Zafar was convicted by the British for the involvement in the rebellion and was exiled to Rangoon in British-controlled Burma. Emperor Bahadur Shah Zafar's rule abolished on 21 September 1857, bringing an end to the 200 years of Mughal rule over India. Emperor Bahadur Shah Zafar died on 7 November 1862, aged 87.